Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, December the 4th, 2021. Yes. We have here in this daily newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Puzzles, I believe there are six puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and 8 binary puzzles. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So only 6 puzzles in this additional. I won't do them all. Only 3 of them I will solve. The 3 stars Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzle in this additional, the other 3 puzzles. But first we will solve this a 3 star Sudoku. Number number let me see which number this will be. Number 3780, I believe. Yeah, 80. Wow. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars Sudoku or a puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. We will see if this is really 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Uh-huh. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers in the third row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 in this big square. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. The 7 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and an 8, 7 and an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 6. 3 boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 5 here, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. The other 2 numbers, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. The 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 and 1 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 6 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3. Three missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. We have a 6 and a 3 in this row, so no 6 and a 3 in this box. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We share 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 2. All right. Okay. Then. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then. 6, 9. How about these 6 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So no 3 in this box. So one box left for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about? Let me see. 8. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is an 8. I need an 8 here in this column. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there another 8, so no 8 in that box. So one box left for the 8 should be there. All right. Okay. Yeah. And now I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. 5. Let me see. 9 and 2. Interesting. How about? I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah. We have a 5 in this column. The 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. 8, 9, 7. Yeah. One box left in this row for the number 9. Okay. Yeah, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this first column. 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Alright. And now we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, and look, we have a 5 and 8 in this third column, so no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. For the number 2, 1 box left in this row. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more, that box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Okay. Do we have all the 8s? No. Missing 2 of them. Yeah. Okay. How about 7 in the first row? 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row. Last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s... I missed 1. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. How about... these 2 missing numbers in this second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row? For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square. Here we have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So, 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. So, I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a binary puzzle. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.